Newcis in Rhyl about 3 years ago. I've been moving from Herefordshire. Done lots of volunteering in my time, all the way through my life practice. Enjoyed that and joined the courses. This is where we came in touch with Deanne, who was excellent, teaching us all sorts of different things and actually giving us the confidence to do and go out and teach other people like we've done today. Thoroughly enjoyed today. It's the first time we've done something like this, but a bit nervous to start with, but we all joined in and it was really good. Talked to lots of people who were a lot of basic training and sorted them out with different things, basic things like pressing buttons because they didn't understand what the button on the computer meant. So I said, well, just press it and see what happens, and they were under the impression it was going to blow the computer up, but it didn't, and they were really pleased, big smiles with lots of giggles, and they went away feeling really happy with what they'd done. So altogether I enjoyed it. It gave me a great sense of fulfilment in educating individuals, but generally the public in general, in the community we're actually in. So really good feedback from today. So thanks to all our trainers and to Deanne for all his help with this, and Julie, and hopefully we'll do a lot more of this in the future. So yeah.